You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this name correctly. I know there is quite a lot of confusion around it, so make sure to stay tuned if you want to learn more pronunciations as well. I've got more videos for you. It's a movie as well. In British English, it's usually pronounced as Harriet. 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 In American English, it's more commonly pronounced as Harriet. Harriet. How do you pronounce it yourself? Harriet or Harriet? Let us know in the comments. Harriet, I don't think that's very common, but perhaps let us know in the comments. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.